Once upon a time, there was a boastful and starving monster in a cave full of bones. In the morning, he went hunting with his hunting bag. Then he went to the drinking pool to wait behind the bushes. Suddenly, snakes sneaked out of the bushes. The monster pounced onto him. "Got you!" shouted the monster. Then Parrot flew to drink. The monster did the same to Parrot.
You have to catch it.
The monster. Then Panther came out of the shadows. Panther was strong, but Monster was stronger. Monkey made the monster dance and dance. Then the monster danced so much that he did not focus on his hunting bag. Monkey stole the bag. She climbed up a tree, opened the bag, and let her friends out.
Yay!
What happened to
And then? Okay, thank you, Zoe.
Once upon a time, there was a silly and boastful monster. He got his brown hunting bag to go hunt for animals. Because he is planning to eat them for dinner, he went to the drinking pool. The first animal was snake, and the second animal was parrot. Parrot and the monster the monster kidnapped them both in his hunting bag, and he kidnapped Panther at the last. The monster kidnapped the animals in his van, but Monkey made the monster dance and dance. Made the monster dance and jump until he jumps away. Then Monkey could rip open the bag and save them out of the bag. And they were happy again.
Ah, very good. Thank you. And all the friends are happy again. Thank you.
The end.
The end.
The monkey saved all the friends?
Yeah, the monkey saved all the friends. Here's the monster.